To make a wedding veil, you need your needle and thread, you need tailor's chalk, all right, you need this kind of plastic comb. This comes in various sizes, but this size is perfectly fine. And lastly, you need a veil net or tulle. And now I'm just going to fold it. I got 2 yards of this, all right. This is going to be perfect for the veil net, except you are going for the cathedral veil, okay, that you'll be needing more than 2 yards, way more than that, all right. So now I've laid it very well and I've folded it into 2. Okay, so I will go ahead and fold it once more, and that makes it into 4 places. So we have folded it into 4 now, and this is the way it looks. Now I'm going to be taking measurements at both ends, and that gave me about 32 inches, and that is what I will be taking all through round the veil. Okay, I'll start with 32 inches and mark and keep marking, okay, but as I progress or as I go up, I will be reducing it a bit. Okay, so this makes no difference, you can still make it 32 inches all through, but I will just be reducing it a bit and end it with 30 inches, and that is just about 2 inches difference. All right, so I'll be using the scissors to cut around the net like I'm doing. Now I'm going to unfold it back, all right, and this is how it looks. Okay, and the full measurement is 60 inches. All right, so now I'll go ahead and cut a small piece of the veil net, the one we've cut off. Okay, and I'm going to be inserting the comb into it this way. This will require effort, all right, but then it's not too difficult. So just use your effort and insert the comb into the piece this way. All right, so this is how it turned out, and I've also gone ahead to trim off the pieces this way. Okay, and now I'm going to be folding it in. Just fold it in like I'm doing. This is to secure the comb in order for us to have something to hold the veil. All right, so that's why we are doing this. We are not making use of gum, and so we need something to hold the veil. All right, and now I'll be using needle and thread to hold it or to secure it very well. Okay, and this is how it looks on the comb. You can see that it is neat and just fine. All right, so with this you are rest assured that your veil will not fall off. All right, and so now I've gone ahead to mark the point, okay, where the veil will cover the face. Okay, about 23 inches is fine. If you want it longer, depends, but then 23 inches will cover the face very well, and that is just fine. And now I'm using the needle to hold that particular point, and now this is how the veil is going to look like. insert the comb in that particular direction, all right? And that is how the comb will also be inserted into the hair of the bride. Okay, so ensure you insert it the way I did, and just spread out the veil net or the tulle on the comb like I'm doing, and use needle and thread to secure it. This is how to make a bridal veil. Okay, you don't need so much. This is the perfect way, all right? And it's looking neat. You're sure that the veil will not fall off, all right? Sometimes when you use gum, it may not be neat, all right? But with this, you're rest assured that it's going to be neat, and you're sure that it won't fall off. Okay, it's so simple, and this is how it looks on the bride. You can see that it's so nice. Like, this is the exact veil actually, so you don't need so much to make a bridal veil. Click on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload any new video. And ensure you comment on the comment section. Tell me what you think about the veil I just showed you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.